Hi, I'm excited to introduce you to Tridify and talk to you about our BIM Publishing Service. It has a lot of cool features, but I want to show you today how fast and easy it is to publish your BIM to the web by simply clicking a link. So for example, let's say an architect has sent me a link to take a look at a model. So I just open up WhatsApp here. There's the message and the link. Just takes a second to load. And when it's ready, I tap the screen and there's the model. I can rotate the view very easily. I can zoom in and I can even enter the model.